Friends, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And once you are subscribed, please do not forget to hit the bell icon to get my next video updates almost instantly. Thank you. So welcome friends. I am back with another indicator today. So after a short pause, I am back with another indicator. So our today's indicator will be awesome oscillator. So this is once again a very important indicator. Previously we have discussed about the alligator, and today I will be discussing on the awesome oscillator. And the alligator as well as the awesome oscillator together forms the profit unity trading system. And as the name suggests, awesome, so it's really an awesome indicator. It's really an awesome oscillator. So before I start, as you know, I am Indrajit Mukherjee. So this is my YouTube channel. So if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to like the video, as well as do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get my next video updates instantly. You can also WhatsApp me at +91 96743 21856 to join my trading team. So friends, let us now start the awesome oscillator. So those who know me already, you know that I write in Stockmaniacs. So my website name is stockmaniacs.net. So I do write on the indicators, on the trading strategies. So I am already having an article on the awesome oscillator. So if you wish, you can visit the article, and I'll leave the article link in the video description. So what is awesome oscillator? So awesome oscillator is once again designed by Bill Williams of the Profit Unity Trading Group. So there are many reasons why it is called awesome oscillator. Basically, this is actually oscillating between two extremes. It calculates the difference between a 5 period and a 34 period simple moving average. So the oscillator calculates the difference between two moving averages, and it calculates the momentum from the difference of the 5 simple moving average and 34 simple moving average. So it actually calculates the momentum. If the awesome oscillator rises, the momentum is rising, and if the awesome oscillator falls, the momentum is falling. Now there is a section how to attach the awesome oscillator on the chart. I will show you it in live. So this is a Zerodha Kite chart. If you do not have Zerodha Kite, I will leave the link on how you can get Zerodha Kite on the video description. So suppose this is Yes Bank chart, Yes Bank daily chart. So you can get the awesome oscillator from the studies section. So this is the studies section. This is a daily chart, 1 day chart of Yes Bank, and in the studies section you will get awesome oscillator. So just click on that, and you can actually change the colors of the increasing bar and the decreasing bar, and click on done. The awesome oscillator will be attached to the chart. In this same way, you can attach the indicator in any other trading platform. So now let us come to the blog post once again. So similar way, you can attach the indicator in other trading platforms like Upstocks Pro platform. Now I have already told you how the awesome oscillator is actually calculated. It is actually the difference between the 5-day simple moving average and the 34-day simple moving average. But instead of the close price, these moving averages was calculated on the basis of high plus low divided by 2. So this is actually taking the average price. Let me show it to you with a practical example. Let us go to Zerodha Kite chart. Suppose this is Yes Bank chart, and let us attach two moving averages. So let me attach two moving averages. One is 5 period moving average. Let us click on done, and the other moving average will be 34 period simple moving average. So let me attach other moving average, 34 period simple moving average. Let me color it as yellow. And now let me also attach the awesome oscillator. Simply click on done. You can see whenever the difference between the 5 period and the 34 period moving average actually increases on the if the 5 period simple moving average actually goes close to the 34 period moving average, and it actually goes lower and lower, you can see the awesome oscillator is red. And whenever it takes a pause and tries to come closer towards the 34 period simple moving average on the upside, the awesome oscillator is actually green. Once again, if it moves lower, the awesome oscillator is red. If it tries to move up, it is green. The awesome oscillator is green. So this is how the awesome oscillator is calculated. Now how you can trade the awesome oscillator? Simply, the awesome oscillator above the zero line is bullish and below the zero line is bearish. So suppose here, whenever the awesome oscillator is above the zero line, it is bullish. You can see this stage, awesome oscillator is above the zero line, so it is bullish. And whenever it is below the zero line, so you can see a prolonged bearishness in the Yes Bank. So now it has once again come above the zero line. So now you can tell that the Yes Bank is coming into a new bull orbit. So above zero is bullish and below zero it is bearish. So there are simple trading strategies can be done with the awesome oscillator. So simply enter a buy trade if the awesome oscillator starts below the zero line and crosses above zero. So this is where you can take a buy trade. Suppose this is the place you can take a buy trade, and you can see after that a smart up move has been taken. You can take a sell trade whenever the awesome oscillator crosses below the zero line. So you can see from here actually the market has fallen a lot, the Yes Bank stock has fallen a lot. So this strategy actually works nicely. So as the name suggests, it is really an awesome oscillator. So the simple buy sell logics has been shown in the blog post, and you can also modify your entries using the trend lines or something like that. Suppose there is a buy trade, so you can simply enter the buy trade. Suppose this awesome oscillator actually crosses the zero line here, but you can actually filter out the buy trade using a line. Suppose you are taking a line, so the trend line, so whenever the trend line is crossed, so you can take a buy trade. Similarly, as for a sell trade, suppose you have got a awesome oscillator is actually crossed below the zero here, but you can actually connect two lows whenever the lows will be broken. So this is where the low has been broken, you can actually take the sell trade. So you can filter out some trades using the trend line. Similarly, suppose here the awesome oscillator has already crossed the zero line, so you can actually filter out some trades using the trend line here also. So just have a trend line. So as the trend line is also crossed, you can take a buy trade on the Yes Bank once again. So and the second wise man trade. Second wise man, we have already discussed about the first wise man on the alligator indicator. So what alligator indicator told? Let me attach the alligator indicator here. So alligator actually told that if you are the price is away from the alligator, whenever the price is away from the alligator, suppose in this case price is away from the alligator and you have got a divergent bar. Divergent bar means when the close is on the upper 50%. So that is a bullish divergent bar. So this is the 50% mark and the close is on the upper 50%. So this is the divergent bar. And if the top of the bar is broken, you can take a buy trade. Similarly, whenever price is away from the alligator, I'll search for a bearish kind of situation. Price is away from the alligator and this is a divergent bar because you can see the close is on the below 50%. So you can take a sell trade on the break of the low of this bar. So these are the first wise man signal. So now let me show how you can take the second wise man signal. This is where I have got the first wise man signal because price is away from the alligator and the close of the bar is on the top 50%. So this is a bullish divergent bar, and whenever the top of the bar is broken, this is the top, whenever it is been broken, you can take a buy trade. And the second wise man tells you that if there is three green bars on the awesome oscillator, suppose first green bar, second green bar and third green bar. So this is the third green bar. If the high of this bar is broken, you can take a buy trade as well. So this is the point. This is the bar where the buy has been taken and the stop loss will be below the divergent bar. So this was the divergent bar. So the stop loss will be below that bar. So similarly, you can get bearish sell signals also using that awesome oscillator and the second wise man theory. So I have already shown you the second wise man theory, and the last one is the Sosa strategy. This is the Nifty 50 chart, and Sosa strategy actually tries to catch a pullback. So you can see this is the first bar of the day and the awesome oscillator is actually became green. So I don't know whether this move will sustain or not. So we have seen that after a bullish gap up, the price has taken a halt. After 4 green bars, the alligator has also come to red. But we can enter if 2 consecutive bars become green once again, because we know that there is a gap up move and the market can go up on the upside. Here I have got only 1 green bar. Here also I have got only 1 green bar. Now I have got 2 green bars here and I can take a long over here. So this is the point where you can take a long, and you can see after that the market has rallied a lot. So the Sosa strategy will actually trade in the direction of the trend, but after a short pullback. So after a short pullback, you are actually getting an entry with much lower risk and a bigger price target. So I have explained the buy and the sell trade rules over here in the blog post, and you can also trade the divergences in awesome oscillator. Like in the Yes Bank chart, I am once again coming to the Yes Bank chart. Let us go back to the daily chart. You can see the Yes Bank has shown a nice divergence. The price is falling, but the awesome oscillator is gradually making higher lows. So this is a simple divergence, and the price is now coming to a new bull orbit. So this is how you can get a divergence. Price is making lower lows, but the awesome oscillator is not making lower lows. It actually is making higher lows. So this is a simple example of the divergence. This is the bullish divergence. So you can trade the divergences as well. So we have ended the webinar of the awesome oscillator. In my next webinar, once I'll try to combine the awesome oscillator and the alligator indicator, and I'll try to explain you the total profit unity trading system. So friends, thanks a lot for watching this webinar. Before you leave, do not forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, and if you liked my video, do not forget to hit the like button in the video and share it with your friends. If you share it with your friends, someone else can be benefited from this video. So friends, Thanks a lot once again. Bye bye.